What's good, guys? So we're gonna be doing a workout today. We're gonna start with push-ups, so warm up with some push-ups on something higher or some knee push-ups. So we're gonna be doing this workout, and I'm just gonna be guiding you through it. So we're gonna do you can do 5 rounds of this. So 10 push-ups on the rings. All right, start with that, and then 10 of these, 10 lat pull downs, whatever you can do. Maybe you can't do lat pull downs, do pull ups, whatever you can do. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is a workout to get you stronger. This is a workout I do every week. I do 3 workouts per week, 2 to 3 workouts per week, and that's what I do to stay in shape. So moving on to close grip push-ups with the easy curl bar. So right up and down, right up, all the way up. You got this, guys. So all right, moving on to rows. Alright, these are pretty tough. I like these. These are really good. But guys, if you're wanting to hear more about my life and my story, click the link in the description. You can check out my Instagram, and that'll check that out. And I just share some real stuff about life on there. But yeah, just do those. Do 10 of them. Thanks so much for watching. This is my workout. God bless. Have a great day.